All right. So, Justin, my next question for you is, who needs a valid I-94 to apply for H4 change of status if their H1B has expired? And how can they keep working while waiting for the receipt notice?
So if you're on an H1B and you timely file an extension, you're going to be in POSA bag, which is a period of stay authorized by the Attorney General. That POSA bag carries with it the authorization to continue living and working in the United States up to 240 days after the expiration of the previous H1B status. So you're good to work on that receipt notice within that time frame. Now, the thing is, if you're saying, hey, I want to file a change of status to H4, now because I want to move over to H4 and get an EAD because I can do that because my spouse has an approved I-140. Well, now you're getting into what's called a bridge petition situation. A bridge petition situation occurs when you have a pending application and then you file another petition off of that pending application. Creates what's called a bridge, right? Because I'm in status because of this, and now I'm filing this. So in order to get here on the bridge, this has to stay in place. So what does that mean? Means if you file off of that H1B and that H1B is subsequently denied, your bridge crumbles. You can't get to the H4 change of status. Upgrade your H1B to premium processing to get it approved, and then file an H4 change of status if that's what you want to do. The other thing could obviously be as well going outside of the United States and then coming back in on H4. It's really just a timing thing. Looking at the factors of this individual's case, you have that H1B that can go till, X amount of time. Go ahead and upgrade it to premium, get a decision, and then file H4 change of status off of that, working up until the end of that time where you change status over to H4. You'd probably also behoove you to go ahead and file that H4 change of status along with a request for an H4 EAD.
Well, thank you, Justin, for taking that up.